The Kabbalists are telling us that there are two major names through which the Almighty created the universe and revealed His light. One of them is named Shem Membet. Membet means 42. It's associated with the prayer of Ana Bekoach. Very powerful meditation, because the prayer Ana Bekoach was established upon 42 letters, which is a holy name. The initials of each verse is a holy name. Like the first verse, Ana Bekoach, Gdulat Imenech Tatir Tzura, the initials Aleph Bet Gimel Yud Tav Tzadi. This is the holy name. So we say, Ana Bekoach, Gdulat Imenech Tatir Tzura, we should meditate with the initials. And in the books of the writings of Rabbi Isaac Luria, he's telling us what to meditate on. Just for example, I'm opening parentheses. Aleph Bet Gimel Yud Tav Tzadi, the name, is telling us Rabbi Isaac Luria. Aleph Bet is Av, like Abba. Who is the Abba? Is Moshe Rabbeinu. That is the father of wisdom, father to the wisdom that came to the people of Israel. Yud Gimel, it's because Aleph Bet Gimel, Yud. Yud and Gimel is 13. This is the 13 attributes that Moshe Rabbeinu revealed. Tav Tzadi is the nation of Torah Tzfuna, the secrets of the Torah, that Moshe Rabbeinu revealed to us the secrets of the Torah, which means with the first sequence of Ana Bekoach, you can meditate to connect with Moshe Rabbeinu, to connect with the light of the 13 attributes, and to ask that the meaning, the inner meaning of the Torah, you'll have the blessing that to connect with it, that it will be revealed to you. This is just one of the intentions in the first verse. I wrote about some of them in the Kabbalah meditation. We called it the secret bridge because each name is a bridge to special energy.